Welcome back, beauty babes. If you're new and it's your first time here, welcome to you as well. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Today's look is going to be from the palette Box of Crayons. I absolutely love this palette. If you want to see the final look, stay tuned. I'm going to start by going off with the color brown, and I'm just going to place this in my crease and build the color up to my liking. And this, everyone, is my Princess Courtney. I guess she just wanted to see what mommy was doing, so she came and she left as quick as she came. And now I'm going to go in with this orange, and I'm just going to simply place that right on top of the brown and blend out those lines. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the same brown that I started with, and I'm just going to add a little more just in case it got lost in the orange. And then I'm going to go back in with a blending brush and make sure it's blended very good. Now I'm going in with this gold shade, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid and build that color up. And then I'm going to go back in with the brown and blend out the line that the gold may have left. Okay, and right here, I'm just still blending. Blending is the key to eyeshadow. So I just go in and I make sure I don't have any lines and everything is just melting together. Now I'm going in with the Neutrogena Deep Moisture Day Cream. It is very important that you moisturize before your foundation. That way you don't have any dry spots, because you definitely don't want that to show up. And now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. poreless face primer. So moisturizing and priming your face before foundation is key. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I am in the color 338 Spicy Brown. And I'm just going to spray some MAC Fix Plus spray on my beauty blender to help it blend out smoothly. Okay, now I'm going in to set my foundation with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the color Toffee 330. And I'm going to use a e.l.f. pointed powder brush to apply this. Okay, now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to place this under my eyes, on my forehead, down my nose, on my cupid's bow, and a little on my chin. Okay, now I'm going to go in with another beauty blender or sponge. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus spray, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. It is better to use a damp sponge to blend out. To me, it just blends better. You can use water or setting spray, just whatever you prefer. Alright, beauty babes, let's go ahead and set that concealer. We're just going to place this everywhere that we put the concealer to make sure that it does not crease. This is a great powder to start off with if you're just starting to get into makeup. This is what I started with, and hey, you can find it at your Walmart. Alright, now we're going to go in with some NYX HD Photogenic Concealer, and we're going to use this to contour. We're just going to slap that on them cheeks, and we're going to put a few dots on the forehead just to add a little color back to the face. Alright, we're going to take that same damp beauty blender that we use for foundation, and we just going to blend, girl, blend. Alright, now we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills kit in medium to tan. We're going to use these two colors right here. And we're going to set everywhere that we put that contour. Remember, if you use cream, you always want to set with powder. Now I'm going in with that Airspun loose face powder, and I'm just going to place that right up under my contour to make it look sharper. Now I'm going to take this Isabella Scott brush and I'm just going to wipe away all that excess powder and blend everything in nicely. Now I'm just going to bring everything together and set my look with the MAC Prep Prime Fix Plus spray. Alright, time to put some highlight on. This is the NYX Pressed Powder Highlight. I absolutely love this highlight. It is so gorgeous, and a little definitely goes a long way. Okay, now I'm going to take that same concealer and I'm going to go ahead and highlight up under my brow, on my brow bone. And I'm also going to put that in the inner corner of my eye just to give it a little pop. Now I'm going to take that orange and that brown, I'm going to apply it on my waterline to add a little color. Now I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, and I'm just going to add that to my bottom lashes. And now I'm just going to go in and apply some lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. Alright, beauty babes, here is the final look. I hope you guys loved it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how I did in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a video.